Yo, good morning, good morning. Thank you guys so much for joining. Today is September 4th, 2024 live stream, and yeah, let's get right into it. So, on the daily time frame here, we have created a large expansion towards the downside during Tuesday's price action, and coming into Wednesday's price action today, you want to ask yourself, what are we going to do now after we just expanded? How many points was this? We expanded almost 780 points. After we expand 780 points, what can we do the next day? Well, we can either have some sort of consolidation or a continuation. And if you think of this in terms of power of 3 and fair value gap, well, if we are going to create a daily fair value gap and show strength to the downside, we should create fair value gaps, SIBIs, right? So I noted out August 30th's low of day. That low shouldn't be revisited if we are going to create a daily fair value gap, which I am anticipating for us to create. So I don't anticipate prices to retrace all the way back up into this level here during today's price action. That's something that I don't want to see, because if we're bearish on the daily time frame, we shouldn't retrace all the way back to August 30th low. We should, however, create that daily fair value gap today, and yeah, we do have a larger SMT between ES and Q right now. So here on ES, we have this large SMT. So notice how prices took out August 14th and August 15th low. However, look at where ES is relative to NQ. We are actually nowhere near that low. So there's a larger SMT right now, and yeah, if we are going to stay bearish on the weekly, if we are going to continue to stay bullish on the weekly time frame here and the monthly time frame, we have to hold this SMT, and we have to expand higher after we create this daily fair value gap. I don't want to see prices kind of like consolidate and just keep drifting lower if we're bullish. However, we're bullish. That I'm still going to hold a bullish stance on the weekly time frame and the monthly time frame, but intraday, daily time frames right now, it's telling me that we're going to continue lower. And you may ask, like, why do we continue lower? Well, we retraced back inside this. You can call this, an order block. This last up close candle, this could be seen as an order block. Let me see if we respected the OTE of this price range here. Yep, we came into OTE of this price range, and yeah, we're starting to see some bearish movement lower here. But like I said, for us to switch to the bearish stance here on the weekly time frame, I have to see us disrespect this weekly fair value gap right now. And whenever I say disrespect, I want to see a weekly closure below this weekly fair value gap. So yeah, that's just what's going on in my head right now. I did draw up the equilibrium, so OTE of this swing low. On the daily time frame, it's a little bit clearer, but from this swing low to this swing high, I drew up the OTE and premium to discount level. So if we are going to continue lower here, my draw of liquidity would actually be at the equilibrium or discount of this dealing range. So I could see us trade lower and attack the premium, or attack the discount of the dealing range. So that's just something that you want to keep in mind. And yeah, on the hourly time frame here, let's see. So we close on this 8-hour and 4-hour candle in about 40 minutes. So from there we'll see. But like I said, we expanded lower a lot yesterday. So I don't anticipate some sort of like crazy movement again today. Like I don't anticipate a 700 move lower again on coming into today. I mean, I could anticipate some sort of maybe, like I said, for us to attack that daily or that daily dealing range discount level, but that's pretty much all I have for today. And yeah, previous day low was my daily draw of liquidity. However, we took out previous day low during the Asian session, so I'm not really anticipating anything anymore on the higher time frames at least, and I would just stick to intraday models. Alright, so keep in mind we do have NFP this week, so this week is already in general a pretty an interesting week. We have 4 red folder news on Friday, and today we have a red folder news, Joe's job openings at 10 o'clock. So that's just something that we can look forward to. And yeah, so like I said, based on these, I want to wait to see how we close on the 8-hour and the 4-hour before I select a before I really get into anything. But yeah, as of right now, would probably just consider trading intraday models here. Time frame alignment. That 3-minute fair value gap, treat that as a, let me see if we close below the consequent encroachment. Close below the consequent encroachment. Okay. Have positions off there. Yeah, we are in consolidation. We've been consolidating Asian session and London session, so let's just see if we can get some sort of retracement maybe into one of these fair value gaps. Yeah, just stay focused on intraday models. very, very interesting day so far. Like I said, consolidation, just something that I wouldn't want to touch. And yeah, let's just let me get my thing prepared here. Sorry. Please give me 1 second. All right. We are opening up in this. We are about to open up in about 3 minutes and a half here. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So I'm gonna play some chess. Play some puzzles while we're waiting. And yeah, black to move. Oh, here. Black to move. Here. Here. So I go here. The only logical decision that he could go is here. And then I would go here. And then he can go, and then he go, If you go here, and then I go here, he goes here, then I would go here, then he would go here, then I would go. Well, actually, no, I don't want to know what the sequence would look like, to be honest. Here, 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 here. Yeah, push this thing back. Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at that? See what the daily puzzle looks like. White to move here. Yaha. Yo ho ho ho. Alright, so we're about to open up in about a minute, so let's just watch that. So yesterday I was actually I told myself that I wouldn't be on anything that would distract me. Chess, I don't want to consider chess as a hindrance, but for sure I would like to stay more focused on the charts here today, because yesterday I wasn't as focused, and it just, yeah, I'm gonna be more focused here today, and I will really try to stay honed and be present in the markets. So this is like a Tuesday high of the week type scenario right now. That's what's occurring through my head. It's a Tuesday high. About to open up in about. You just opened up now. So I do want to mark out. So we do have Asia's lows here. Asia lows, Asia low, London lows, London highs. Well, actually, London highs got already taken, but I'll say pre-market highs here. Pre-market highs, and then we have Asia's highs. Asia highs. After we complete a daily objective, we still have session liquidities to target. So we can target, like I said, Asia's highs, London highs and lows, and maybe even pre-market highs and lows. But tend to only stick with the sessions. So yeah, Asia's lows and Asia's highs, London lows, and we have pre-market highs. So let's just say we do something like we take out the lows and we get some sort of expansion higher, then I could target pre-market highs and in Asia's highs. Let's see if we had a gap. So we actually gapped down today, and let's see if we can actually fill in this gap. So filling in this gap would actually cause us to take out pre-market and Asia's highs. So that's in alignment. But yeah, let's just continue to watch. What will we do during the open? We still have 30 minutes left during the opening bell, so not a big fan of the first 30 minutes. Some people are, some people aren't. I'm just one of those people that aren't a fan of it. YM's trading higher here. Let's open up my other charts here. I want to stick to the 1 hour time frame just so I can get a clearer look at the markets, because even the 4 hour time frame would give me a lot of clarity. I don't want to be stuck on the lower time frames and really be too tunnel visioned on lower time frame narrative whenever we're in a consolidation. We actually have SMT between the markets here. If you want to take a look on your own charts, ES took out Asia's lows during London session while NQ didn't. So London low should be actually respected if we are going to get some sort of retracement or a rebalance of this 4 hour fair value gap, or at least this 4 hour, 6 hour, 8 hour, or 10 hour fair value gap. We have a really large 10 hour fair value gap there. So we now have a expansion higher here on the markets, but like I said, we still aren't anywhere near close. This these SIBs. So these fair value gaps should be rebalanced at some point. Unless we're just extremely bearish and we don't even retrace back inside these fair value gaps. But I wouldn't assume that to be the case. We are rather, yeah, we're pretty bullish here actually. Not bullish, but we're actually closer to the 4 hour fair value gaps compared to and Q on ES. That is indeed a 4-hour fair value gap right there, buddies. Our FEG. Relatively closer to the 4-hour FEG ES compared to NQ. And like I said, I would wait for this very first 8-hour and 4-hour closure here in about 24 more minutes, 23 more minutes. So let's just continue to wait, be patient. No need to force any models in a consolidative state. Like yesterday, if you were shorting, it would have been the prime time to short. Here in consolidation, you don't want to be, it's not like you don't want to trade, but you want to just avoid any like longer style trades, because I mean you can't. It's not like you can't, but it's just lower probabilities to be within a consolidational market. I'll play one chess game and I'll go over some of the pros and cons, improvements, and 2 A+ setups. What just happened?